its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen now you can see the present value at checking. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount